All you drug people out there are cutting drugs with animal-based pharmaceuticals. So now the FDA is now hammering down. The FDA has come out and they are removing any animal antibiotic off of over-the-counter, which now means that you have to have a script for antibiotic. Yep.
Time out.
Yep.
Is this ivermectin related?
Ivermectin is a dewormer. This would be more like your LA200, LA300.
Okay.
Those,
but
like an antibiotic injection.
Yeah.
The reason that they're doing that is because all you drug people out there are cutting drugs with animal-based pharmaceuticals. So now the FDA is now hammering down like implants. Implants went through a whole rechange as of June 23 this year. You can't re-implant cattle depending on what implant that you're using.
So the war on drugs has spilled over into the cattle industry?
Yes. And horse industry. That drug I'm talking about that people cut with, that is a horse drug. Yep.
What in the world? So they're going to put it onto the vets to write prescriptions.
Yep.
To ranchers.
Yep.
And then the ranchers got I guess go to the feed store pharmacy?
No, you can't go to the feed store. It has to come from a vet clinic. So if you don't have a good relationship with your vet, you better start creating one, because you have to have a script for antibiotics starting in like 23 or starting June.
You also have to have a place to buy them.
You call it comes from your vet, or distributor. So if I call, I'm just going to pick on Joe Covey at Muleshoe Vet Supply. Awesome guy. He's a distributor. So like a rep sells, he puts in an order for a certain amount of drugs from whatever pharmaceutical company he orders from, and then cattlemen can come to him and buy. But certain drugs,
but they have to have prescription. This is. I mean, I can think of tons of places out in the middle of nowhere. So I guess these will come in through the mail. Maybe it'll be a little bit streamlined, and he could maybe get them in the mail. There's
certain drugs that you can get. Like I can get certain drugs for my horse, and then I just put in a script number online, and it's usually less expensive than paying at the vet clinic. But it depends on what the drug is.
But the vet clinic, you keep saying this. There's places where there's no vet clinic.
Yeah.
There's plenty of feed stores out there. There's not a lot of vet clinics.
Your vet can mail stuff to you. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Like they put it in a package and dry ice it and like send it your way, or maybe not dry ice, maybe cool packets, but they'll send it your way. So you can get it delivered, but it has to, basically you have to have a script now. You can't go to some feed store at, or Tractor Supply at 10 o'clock at night and you're like, shit, I ran out of LA200, and then go over there and buy a bottle.
No, you just got to try to bum some from your neighbor. When you're in that kind of bond, because you're not, I mean, what a huge waste.
Thanks for watching that YouTube video. If you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe, and check us out on TikTok as well, Roughneck to Real Estate.